Let me show you two different ways how to reset your wireless Wi-Fi repeater. So there are two methods how to reset. So you see, if on your unit you have this reset button, you can simply take maybe like a needle or something else. So for example, I have phone ejector tool, and you simply shove it inside there and hold for a few seconds basically till it clicks and resets essentially. But if you want to reset it from basically computer, so first you would simply connect to its Wi-Fi network, so basically connect to it. And then in the address bar you have to either enter of this address over here. So on the back the address should be printed. Also username and password as well should be printed if it requires one. So you see, for example, in my address bar I will simply enter this over here, and you see I have this thing over here. I can click on the advanced settings. By the way, this is the newest like version of this repeater. If you have the older version, the website might be a bit different. But yeah, as you see, I have the restore factory settings here. So click restore and it will take a while. So you see we have the percentage loading here. So simply wait till it does its thing. So as you see, basically it finished resetting, and also you should see both lights. It will go off and then come back, and that means it's reset and you can reconnect to again. So again, if you want to connect to this unit, also let me really show you. So again, in your Wi-Fi network, simply open it up and it should be listed here as extender something. So you see, for example, this is what mine is called here. And yeah, simply click on this thing and connect to it. So it automatically connected for me. And once you connect it, the website where you basically again need to set it up again will open, or again simply enter the IP address in your bar over here. And then, for example, I see if you click here, this unit will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks in your area. By the way, also, if it doesn't find your Wi-Fi network, also what you have to know, this unit only works in 2.4 GHz network. So if your Wi-Fi router is basically sending the signal in maybe like 5 GHz or 6 GHz, so the newest best frequencies, again, it won't be able to find your Wi-Fi network. So again, you have to go to your Wi-Fi router and change the frequency to only work in this mode. Then you see it found it here. Also it has a manual setup, but we're going to click auto here and you simply enter the password of it, click next, finish. So you see it will take maybe another minute to basically finish setting up sometimes. But yeah, if I, for example, check my Wi-Fi settings, so maybe not done yet. Okay, so yeah, done now. So you see, it essentially creates a copy of my original Wi-Fi network, but adds, so I see like this ext at the end. So again, if I want to connect basically to this repeater, so and get signal from it, so again I would connect to this new network essentially. So you see, and then yeah, I can actually like extend the range, basically leave this somewhere and yeah, simply take internet from it instead. Okay, good luck.